आज हम शुरू करते हैं सितार इंस्ट्रूमेंट कॉल्ड सितार। और छोटी सी डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द सितार, you know very well that it made by pumpkin. This part, the roundabout is pumpkin and all the artwork is here, and we have two bridges, the bigger one and smaller one, and which this part we call tabli. And these two bridges, the bigger one for the main strings and the smaller one in the bottom, this one is for sympathetic strings. And these are the keys, the khunti of the sympathetic strings, and the bigger khunti, the keys are all main strings khunti, and this called Kharach Pancham sitar, the Kharach Pancham style of sitar. And we have two kind of sitar, one is Kharach Pancham and other was Gandhar Pancham. So basically in this sitar, in my sitar, we are from Vishnupur Gharana, another style of Indian classical music, the very ancient old Gharana. We have this sitar called Achal Parda. Then we have extra frets here. Normally you cannot find these frets here as Komal Re. So in my sitar we have extra frets. Normally this have a gap here, like here in between these two frets we do not have any frets. Normal sitar we do not have any frets in between these two notes. So एक कमल पर्दा की एक्स्ट्रा पर्दा हमारे पास लगा गया, इसको हम पर्दा बोलते हैं. These are the frets. एंड हम मिजराब पहनते हैं. मिजराब अंगली में फर्स्ट फिंगर राइट हैंड मिजराब पहन के फिर हम उसमें बजाते रहते हैं. ये पर्दा जो टॉप टू बॉटम है हमारा 3 ऑक्टेव है, मंद्र सप्तक, मध्य सप्तक एंड तार सप्तक.